And the race is on. Something new. Tricky Charlie's rushing up Sugar Daddy. Alongside is Teresa's Magic. Teresa's Magic, something new. Apple Magic. Tricky Charlie, Sugar Daddy is racing in fifth. Something new by a neck, followed by the favorite, Teresa's Magic. Apple Magic is running down on the inside. As they race the last 600, Teresa's Magic, something new. Apple Magic, then here comes Sugar Daddy and Tricky Charlie's. Teresa's Magic by a neck, followed by something new in second. Apple Magic is watching in third and moving up by the rally Tricky Charlie's Sugar Daddy as they race the final corner. Teresa's Magic, something new. Apple Magic at the center. Tricky Charlie's Danori inside. It's now Apple Magic by about 2 lengths, followed by Tricky Charlie's Danori inside. Apple Magic, Tricky Charlie's, Teresa's Magic, and nearing the finish line, entry number 1. And this one is Apple Magic, Tricky Charlie's, something new, Sugar Daddy, and Teresa's Magic.